What if your systems could see outages before they happen, or your CI/CD pipelines could fix themselves before you even notice a bug? Welcome to DevOps and AI Shaping Engineering's Future. I am from Learn with DevOps Engineer channel, and in this talk, you'll discover how AI is transforming the DevOps world, one workflow at a time. Let's dive in. Here's what we'll explore. First, what DevOps and AI really mean today, then how AI is improving monitoring CI/CD and infrastructure. We'll also talk about how DevOps roles are evolving and wrap up with real steps you can take to start integrating AI into your workflow. You'll walk away with both clarity and practical ideas you can try right away. What DevOps plus AI really mean? AI in DevOps isn't about replacing engineers, it's about making us more powerful. It helps our workflows predict problems and adapt in real time. With continuous feedback loops, we are moving from reactive firefighting to proactive data driven decisions. Think of it as your engineering superpower, augmenting your judgment with machine intelligence. Let's talk monitoring. AI now scans your logs and metrics 24 by 7, spotting anomalies before you get paged. It cuts down alert fatigue by ignoring the noise and surfacing what really matters. And when something breaks, AI speeds up root cause analysis by connecting the dots instantly. Bottom line, fewer surprises, faster fixes. Your pipeline has pain points, flaky tests, failed builds, random delays. AI tackles all of these. It reorders flaky tests, predicts failures before they happen, and fine tune your pipeline settings on the fly. That means smoother builds, faster releases, and a happier dev team. AI isn't just making things faster, it's making them cheaper and greener. It predicts traffic and auto scales resources before a surge hits. It schedules spot instances smartly, saving you real money. And it finds zombie workloads, those idle resources costing you, without you knowing. AI helps you run lean, smart, and efficient. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, DevOps roles are shifting. Engineers are becoming orchestration experts, managing ML workflows, not just infra. There's more collaboration with data teams, more focus on strategy. And yes, learning AI tools is now part of the job. And that's a good thing. It keeps us sharp, relevant, and future ready. So, where do you begin? Start by using AI powered tools like GitHub Copilot, Harness, or Datadog. Improve observability because better data means better AI insights. And don't try to boil the ocean. Run a small pilot project, measure results, and scale from there. AI adoption is a journey. Start smart. To wrap up, AI is not here to replace us, it's here to amplify us. The smartest teams are already starting small and scaling fast. If you are curious or want to chat more, let's connect on YouTube or email. Thanks for watching. Now go build the future.